If your water supply is dirty, how to make a water filter. This is the fastest way to purify water. This technology was used as far back as the Middle Ages. What do you need to make a water filter at home? First, you need sand. Rinse the sand with clean water. Now you need gravel. Rinse the gravel. Now we need a large plastic container. Drill 2 holes in the container. The holes should be on opposite sides, but at different levels, one at the top of the container and the other at the bottom. Turn off the water supply. Remove the tap on the water supply pipe. Assemble the structure from simple plumbing fixtures, as shown in the video. For this you will need plastic water pipe elbows, plastic pipes, plastic threaded plumbing fittings, and 2 large plastic containers with holes drilled in them. Install a tap at the outlet of the far container. Fill the near container with filter layers. Bottom layer, large crushed stone. Another layer, sand and fine gravel. Next layer, charcoal. Another layer, sand and fine gravel. And the top layer, fine crushed stone. Fill the far container with filter layers as well. Bottom layer, large crushed stone. Another layer, sand. Next layer, charcoal. Another layer, sand. And the top layer, fine crushed stone. You have created an ingenious medieval water purification system. Now open the water supply tap. Fill the containers with water. Seal the containers tightly. It works. Now you will never have to buy clean water again. You will have your own clean water.